What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to explain to you 3 things you check on this Toyota 4Runner. This is a 2004 model, so if you have a similar truck 2003, 4, 5, notice this truck does not have fans, electrical fans right in front of the condenser. It does have one big fan which is belt driven, and it has a clutch on that fan. Okay, so if your car overheats on a highway, you have the AC on, and your car starts to heat up. Let me back up what I just said. So if you go on the highway, you have the AC on, the car doesn't overheat. Okay, that's one of the symptoms that you will get. Your car will not overheat on the highway because all the wind force is cooling it off for you. But as soon as you stop at the red light or you're driving locally, you put the AC on, the car overheats. And it's due to the fact that your fans are not cooling it, okay? If you have electrical fans, same issue, okay? You can have bad fans, but you do need to check the antifreeze. Check your antifreeze, which is in the radiator. Make sure you check it when the engine is cold, okay? You don't want to open that thing when it's hot. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check the fan on this car because it is clutch driven. So as it heats up, then it becomes the thickness of the gel inside, it grips it more, okay? It's hard to explain, but there's other videos out there you can find. I do have a video on a clutch fan, but I'm gonna let this car run. You need to be careful. If you want to do this, be careful. You can have a BMW. I did have a BMW in past. Any truck with this kind of fan, you can check it, okay? So all you need to do is be careful first of all, because you gotta let the engine run. You don't want to put your hands in there. So I'm gonna take the camera, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna start up this truck, I'm gonna let it get nice and hot, because in the beginning when it's cold, the fan's gonna be running really hot, really high speed. But as it heats up, it's gonna calm down a little bit, and then I can test the fan on this truck, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. So those are the 3 things you're gonna check. One thing is a thermostat, which you cannot get into because a thermostat is something you can't test unless you pull it out, put it in a hot boiled water, see if it opens and closes. It could be a stuck closed thermostat. But check your antifreeze. If you haven't replaced your thermostat, change it, guys. It's a $15 piece. On this one, it's located right up on the top. I'm going to show you that also. But the fan is a major thing right now because this car overheats. Well, it did overheat, and I did change the clutch on this. Customer bought it for me, but he bought a used clutch. But we put that in. But anyways, let's get. So the first thing we're gonna do is, what I'm gonna do here is, you see, we had to find the rotation of this fan, okay? Because you do not want to. All I'm gonna do is gently try to stop this fan with my hand, just like that. And if the fan stops, the clutch is no good, okay? But I need you to be careful, guys. Warning, warning, warning. This is dangerous. You can hurt yourself, and I don't want you to lose your hand and finger. I'm doing it for demonstration purposes. But anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this truck run, and then I'm gonna use a piece of cloth like this one right here. I'm gonna wrap my hands around it, but I do know the rotation of the fan is this way, okay? It's turning this way. So once I try to stop it with my hand like that, if it stops, because I had a BMW one time, I was able to physically stop the fan, and then I turned it back and it was rotating backwards. Okay, that was the cause of that. But anyways, let me let this truck run, and then I'm gonna check it. All right, guys, it's been good, 15 minutes. The truck's been running for 15 minutes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap. I don't want this thing to get caught in the belt either, so be careful, okay? Got my hand here, so gently. What I'm gonna do is be careful, be careful, be careful. That's all I can tell you is do not hurt yourself, okay? But this clutch is good, I know that, but I still don't want to demonstrate, okay? So what I would do is, see that? The fan doesn't stop. It throws my hand away, okay? If I was able to stop that fan and turn it back, it's a bad clutch, okay? Then you would replace that fan clutch right there, that aluminum piece right there, turn it with the fan. That's the clutch, okay? So the thermostat on this truck is right there. It's only 3 volts. The piece, you could probably buy the thermostat housing with it for like 40 bucks, 45 bucks. That will give you antifreeze flush also. And very simple job, guys. Thank you for watching. If your car overheats, don't hesitate to send me a message. Again, this car does not have any electrical fans, okay? So the thermostat, check the coolant level, and check your fan, okay? This truck shouldn't overheat on you that easy. This is a good system, but it does fail. The clutch does fail. I came across that, okay? Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.